As the crispness of autumn begins to settle in, it's hard not to feel a wave of excitement wash over us. Although we still have a couple of weeks until the official start of fall, the signs are unmistakable. With Labor Day now behind us, the temperatures in Washington, D.C. are starting to drop, and the beloved pumpkin spice flavor is making its annual comeback. I couldn't resist picking up a hefty 4-pound bag of McIntosh apples during my recent trip to the market, and I'm ready to dive into the season's culinary delights. September marks the height of apple season on the East Coast, typically spanning from late August through October, depending on the specific apple variety. With my recent market haul and the additional bushels of apples I'm sure to gather during our upcoming annual You-Pick adventure this weekend, I'll have more than enough fruit to inspire some of my favorite baking and cooking projects of the year. But here's where it gets exciting. Apples are incredibly versatile. From sweet desserts to savory dishes, they can elevate any recipe. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, there's something magical about incorporating fresh apples into your meals. So let's explore 8 reader-favorite apple recipes that are sure to evoke all those cozy fall feelings. And this is the part most people miss. The joy of cooking with apples goes beyond just the taste. It's about creating memories, sharing with loved ones, and embracing the spirit of the season. So, what are your go-to apple recipes? Do you prefer sweet or savory dishes? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.